Hello everyone, my name is Wsa and I am pursuing a Bachelor's of Technology in Computer Science and Engineering from Guru Nanak Institute of Technology. Today I am presenting my WSA Full Stack Web Development Internship project titled Food Order AI powered food ordering and delivery platform. During this internship, I gained practical experience in full stack web development using the MAN stack and developed a modern food ordering platform integrating front end, back end, database authentication, and AI based features. So this is the contents page where first section is introduction and cover, second section is problem, solution and objectives, third section is in technology and architecture, fourth section is core features and implementation, fifth section is development process, challenges and learnings, sixth section is outcomes, future scope and closure. So first let's start first section introduction and cover. So yeah, so in that project cover interview overview, WC internship project presentation showcasing food order AI and AI powered food ordering and delivery platform developed during the WSA Full Stack Web Development Internship Program, and this is a presentation design where I will told about myself. So about me, I am passionate about software development, artificial intelligence, and full stack web development. Throughout my academic journey, I have worked on several AI and web development projects, which helped me strengthen my programming, debugging, and problem solving skills. The WSA internship provided me with practical exposure to real world application development and industry standard workflows. So, in internship overview, the WSA internship focuses on practical software development instead of only theoretical concepts. The internship helped me understand the complete software development life cycle, including project planning, front-end and back-end development, database integration, API creation, authentication, debugging, testing, Git version control and deployment. It significantly improved my technical and professional development skills. So, goals of internship. The primary objective of this internship was to understand the MERN stack and develop a real-world web application. The goals included learning React for front-end development, Node.js and Express.js for back-end development, MongoDB for database management, REST APIs, authentication, deployment, and collaborative software development practices. So now I will discuss second section problem solution and objectives. So traditional food ordering systems often suffer from inefficient order management, limited personalization, manual processes, and poor user experience. Customers expect fast ordering, secure payments, responsive interfaces, and personalized recommendations. Restaurants also require efficient order management systems to improve operational efficiency. So, to address these challenges, I developed for a food order AI, an intelligent food ordering platform. The application allows users to browse restaurants, search food items, manage their cart, place orders securely, and receive AI-based food recommendations. It also includes an administrative dashboard for efficient restaurant and order management. The project aims to simplify or online food ordering while providing a seamless and secure user experience. The objectives include responsive design, secure authentication, efficient database management, online payment integration, and AI-powered recommendation features. The front end was developed using React.js, Byte, Redux, Anxious, Bootstrap, and CSS. So in that case, we have we will talk about technology and architecture. So as I say, the frontend was developed using React.js, Byte, Redux, Anxious, Bootstrap, and CSS. The backend was developed using Node.js and Express.js. MongoDB with Mongoose was used for database management. JWT and Bicrypt were implemented for secure authentication. Stripe was integrated for online payments, while Cloudinary was used for image storage. Git and GitHub were used for version control and collaboration. The project follows the full stack architecture. The front end communicates with the backend through REST APIs. The backend processes user requests, performs business logic, interacts with MongoDB, and returns responses to the front end. This architecture ensures scalability, maintainability, and efficient communication between components. So in that case, the core platform stack and the integration development layers with the MongoDB stores and the Express.js, and throughout the details where we can then expresses the backend and the front end communication with backend, and through that the architecture where they can manage the scalability, maintainability, and efficiency for that particular app. So now I will discuss about the MERN stack. The MERN stack consists of MongoDB, Express.js, React.js, and Node.js. MongoDB stores the application data. Express.js manages APIs. React.js provides an interactive user interface. Node.js executes server-side operations. Together, they create a powerful and scalable web application. And therefore, in the system architecture follows a layered approach. The user interacts with the React frontend, requests are sent to the Express REST API, and backend processes the request using Node.js. Data is stored in MongoDB. Cloudinary handles image uploads, while Stripe processes online payments. So in the database design, the database consists of multiple collections including users, restaurants, products, orders, cart, reviews, payments, and admin. These collections maintain relationships that ensure efficient storage and retrieval of application data. So after the next portion, core features and implementation. So in authentication is implemented using GWT. Passwords are securely encrypted using Bicrypt, Bcrypt. Protected routes ensure only authorized users can access sensitive features. Role-based access control separates users and administrator privileges. The application provides user registration, login, restaurant browsing, food menu display, search functionality, category filtering, shopping cart, secure checkout, payment integration, order history, responsive design, and AI-based recommendations. The AI module analyzes preferences and popular food items to recommend suitable dishes. Future versions can incorporate personalized recommendation models and predictive analytics for enhanced customer experience. The project was implemented using component-based React development, REST APIs, Redact state management, secure authentication, database management, database integration, and modular backend architecture. Extensive debugging and testing ensure stable application performance. So now development process challenges, that it is a very important part where we have discussed throughout, and the learning that we have done through the uh, through the whole internship. So yeah, during the development, I encountered dependency conflicts, React version compatibility issues, backend integration challenges, MongoDB configuration problems, and environment variable setup. These challenges enhanced my debugging and troubleshooting skill. Through this internship, I improved my knowledge of React.js, Node.js, Express.js, MongoDB, REST API, JWT authentication, Redux, Git debugging, and full stack software development. So in that case, the development and debugging is continuing through the process. And now uh, the challenges that we have talked, and the learning outcomes, which is very important throughout the process, because that stores the more important and with the more communicated. So now I will talk about future scope, outcomes, and closure. So in that outcomes and the future scope, I can say that future enhancement include mobile application development, AI chatbot integration, voice ordering, real-time order tracking, recommendation engines, analytics dashboards, and inventory prediction. So in that project demo, I will add it now, and the project demo I will discuss. So, in that conclusion, the internship provided valuable experience in full stack web development and helped me understand real world software engineering practices. Developing food order AI strengthened my technical skills in non stack development, API integration, authentication, database management, debugging, and deployment. The project successfully meets its objectives while providing a scalable foundation for future enhancement. Thank you for your time and attention. I hope this presentation was provided a clear overview of my internship experience and project implementation. I'll be happy to answer any of questions. Thank you so much. So this is my code that in the backend, front end, that through the process in that app I have mentioned here. You can check here the like I'll after that when I will go through the app, you can check the all details and the mention design. So after that, when I will run to the local host, uh, the website will be open throughout after running front end and packet through the different terminal. It will run and processed. When it will run and processed, it will automatically open in a local host in Chrome or Microsoft Edge or any other extensions in laptop. So yeah, you can check. This is my website or the all restaurants and the order it name. There is a total 8 restaurants. You can check. Yeah, the 8 restaurants. And when login is here, cart is here. There's a three option: pure veg, sort by review, sort by rating, and the restaurants are here. Total 8 restaurants. When I will click pure veg, uh, like that. Yep. So this is the only pure veg. And when I will click again, show all, the eight restaurants are even before as it visual. So if I will click see as review, this is the review as is a review sections. And if I will click short by ratings, the ratings restaurants will be opened for their options. Now this is the all 8 restaurants throughout their ratings. Now after again the total 8 restaurants, after clicking that, this is the short review, this is the pure veg section. And when I will go through like login option, and for a new user, when I will click new user, the option, the register option open. I can put name, email, password, password confirm, phone number, and avatar. I will give like example of all this: name, email address, password, password confirmation, phone number, my avatar. It is not applicable for all. If I will click register option, now you can check my dashboard will be open. When I will click here, mm, like that. Yeah, orders, profile layout. In orders, my orders will be visible when I will order my food. And when I will click my profile will be visible. If I will click edit profile, I can edit my name, email address, my avatar. And now edit, click edit option. If I click log out, then I will log out my user profile. So if I will click again login, I will click forgot password. Then I have to put my registered email and click send email, and I will automatically go to the login option. Now I will back to the login, and I will put my email address and password, like that I have which I have registered through the email and the password. After that, when I will click login option, the created user profile will be again open again. And now I will click the food, and now I will add to food, like uh, the total 8 restaurant I will go through one restaurant. And I will click, I will add that food, add to cart. And now I will click increase food items or decrease food items, so plus and minus options. And now I will click that food for one item, and click that food, that 3 foods. And when I will click that card, it will be visible that 3 food I have chosen. If I will delete that food and add one extra item from that food, now we will check the order summary with subtotal 3 units, means through 3 items and the total. When I will click checkout, the payment option will be open. And yeah, the payment option will be open. Now I have to fill up my payment details throughout the cart. My name, I will put my example name, uh, like as an example. the state, country India, address, phone number, my payment details with card name, month, date, month, year, and uh, after put it all of these, giving email address, phone number, state, like that, uh, card number, month, year of that card, that is the details about the card, and after that, when I will click, or after filling all of details, when I will click pay, yep. So after clicking pay, my it will be logging, and after that, it will become that your order has been successfully placed. And when I click the my orders option, the orders that I have ordered, it will be visible that the status you can check that processing, and you can go through the actions. You will go at the actions, the order details, the payment is paid. You can check the payment is paid, and order status is processing, and the items. So this is the order and the items, and you can click throughout that order from the profile dashboard. You can check also the same details, the order, and you can back throughout the eat restaurants. I can order any of them, and the process will be going throughout the same way. Now I'll go through the data set database. When I will come here, MongoDB, now we'll check. I will see that the details already updated and going through the results in that app to process the system, and the given details automatically throughout the user, and the user will visible to see the details and understand how it works. This is the way the process is ongoing, and the overall system will throughout the data authentication and processing, and the website is going throughout. So yeah, the overall system will going, and the mentioned way throughout the system. So